Welcome to Let's Get Physical. In this special edition of Let's Get Physical, we talk to Batman, a billionaire who devotes his fortune to cosplay and beating up the mentally ill. He's going to give us a thorough explanation about superheroes and their unrealistic superpowers.
Where are we headed, Batman?
To get some milk.
Alright.
A good healthy day starts with a bowl of milk.
Okay. There you go.
It's not my fault. Alfred.
Alright. So let's talk about superheroes.
They're so unrealistic.
Okay. Alright. Explain. So what's wrong with Quicksilver?
So, you know that part where he's in the kitchen and he beats up all those guards like hecka fast? How does he do that? Actually, let's watch that clip real quick.
If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I would spend them with you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I've looked around enough to know you're the one I want to go through time with.
As you can see in the clip, Quicksilver must be experiencing a much slower time because he's moving much faster than everyone else. And this is according to Einstein's special theory of relativity, that the faster you move through space, the slower time moves, and vice versa.
So many colors. Black. Quicksilver. Wrong. Here's the prison room that he ran around. The diameter is 12.81 meters. That means that the circumference of the room is 40.24 meters. So you divide his time that it takes him, which is 24 seconds. You divide the circumference by that time, you get 1.676 meters per second. That's his relative speed. So, to compare that to our speed, you take the bullet velocity is 251 meters per second for that specific gun. The guards are 4.575 meters away. So you divide that by the speed of the bullet, you get 0.018 seconds. So, to compare the 74 seconds of him running, you divide that by 0.018. That means for every 4,111 seconds for him, it's only 1 second for us. That's over an hour for every second. So you times that by his speed relative to him, you get 6,890 meters per second. How is that even possible?
Holy cow, Batman! That's over 25 times faster than the world's fastest jet!
Okay, so we've talked about Quicksilver. Any other superheroes?
Well, there's... Okay, so Cyclops. You know the guy with the laser eyes? Yeah, so according to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So, say he pushes a boulder with his laser eyes. That means that boulder would push back with the same force on his neck. How does that not break his neck?
Right, so you're saying that if for Cyclops to have the actual power he has, he also needs to have super strength.
Yes, at least in his neck.
And that's because of action and reaction in Newton's
Yes.
third law. Okay. Let's talk about Hulk.
Oh my gosh. The green giant monster. Okay, so you know how like he gets huge
Uh-huh.
and he punches that flying alien thing in the Avengers?
In the Avengers movie, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How does he do that? How does he punch it so hard that it stops?
Right, that requires a lot of force, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Like, let's watch that clip.
Dr. Banner, now might be a really good time for you to get angry.
That's my secret, Captain. I'm always angry.
Hold on! When he punches the Leviathan, how much force does he apply? The mass of the Leviathan is about 600 tons, and the speed of the Leviathan is about 25 miles per hour. 600 tons is about equal to 544,311 kilograms, and 25 miles per hour is about equal to 11 meters per second. To calculate the momentum, we multiply these two numbers together to equal 5,987,421 kilogram meters. Hulk slides for about 6.5 seconds. We take the momentum and divide that by 6.5 and we get 921,141.7 kilogram meters per second, or newtons per second. Now, if we take that number and then multiply the length he slides, we get 6,085,395 newtons per second. That's his impulse.
How is that even possible? That's like 1,000 of my punches, and I'm pretty strong. Impossible.
Now notice when Hulk punches the Leviathan, you can see it go over its center of gravity and it begins to fall. And then Iron Man shoots it. Alright, where are we heading now?
There's a brake light out on the Batmobile. We're heading to Napa Auto Parts Store.
Okay. You know, one of my favorite superheroes is Ant-Man.
Ant-Man!
Yeah, he's an engineer, he's just a normal, everyday engineer, but, is also a criminal, and he turns good.
He breaks so many laws of physics. You know the conservation of mass? You know what that is?
Yeah.
You know when Ant-Man becomes a tiny little bug size. He's got to keep his mass, so that means he's super dense. But then he gets hecka big, and that means he also has to keep his mass. Then he'd be really, really light for his height.
Did you get that?
I did.
Batman. Alright, yeah, ask some questions. What's your name?
My name Tio Moressi from Italia.
Okay, alright.
So, Mr. Batman, I was wondering, how did the Civil War with Captain America go?
Who's that?
Huh?
Captain America, the guy with the shield, chiseled jawline.
I have a chiseled jawline.
Steroids. He's very strong.
I'm really strong.
He has a superpower, which is super strength.
How?
He got injected by steroids.
Oh, that makes sense actually.
Yeah, I like physics. Yeah,
Nice.
that's what this documentary's about. It's about physics.
Oh.
We thought like you'd be a good person to interview because you know you don't have any real powers. So like.
No, I do. I have
really
powers. I have a
physics.
good brain.
Yeah, but
Shot. Shot. Shot.